Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Search Console for manual action reviews, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Google Search Console. Press enter to navigate to the site. On the landing page, look for the option to sign in. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner. You will be prompted to enter your Google account email address. Type in your email address and click Next. Next, enter your password for your Google account. Click the Next button to continue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that process now. Once logged in, you'll see your Search Console dashboard. Locate the property for which you wish to review manual actions. Click on the property name to access its details. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Security and Manual Actions. From the drop-down, select Manual Actions. Review the details provided for each manual action. Follow any instructions or guidance outlined for resolution. If you need to submit a reconsideration request, scroll to the appropriate section. Fill out any required fields and provide a detailed explanation. Once completed, click the Submit button to send your request. You are now prepared to monitor and address any manual actions on your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.